My favourite thing about photography is the storytelling aspect, because I'm awful with words, so it's my way of just being able to tell stories and just kind of enjoy the process. My name is Jimmy Fletcher and I'm a documentary photographer and filmmaker from Gloucestershire. I entered the AOP Student Awards very last minute. From the moment I was named Best in Show, I was in absolute disbelief. So I come from a place where there's really nothing to do and kind of nowhere to go as a teenager. So I kind of just wanted to tell that story, and I kind of tell that by revisiting spaces and places. There's just so many memories kind of associated with these photos. There's happy times of just running around with your friends. For me, there's a particular photograph where the light's just capturing the garages and the rest of the image is basically blank. And that's just how it feels to me, this kind of eerie, being lost feeling. When I'm out taking photos, I just look for things as I just kind of wander around. I plan, but I don't like to plan too hard. Images just come to me, especially in this project. It's inspired by music such as the streets. The partnership between AOP and Fujifilm has been a massive help to me. Having that validation and sort of support and encouragement really boosted my confidence. Using the GFX 100S was honestly the best experience I've ever had with a camera. The camera itself, the details it picks up are just insane. It's like you're actually there, and I've never had that in a camera before. The dynamic range was just incredible. Like literally, it feels like I've just taken what's out there on the street and just put it on the screen. Being able to walk like 4 miles at a time with this camera lens and tripod set up, it was actually incredibly light and made it really easy to work with. One of the best things about using the Fujifilm system was having the film simulation available. Having the ability to just put that on each scene as I was going around experimenting, really helped me to see it in different moods and different perspectives. This project has inspired me to keep making work and push myself even further. And that all comes from a combination of working with Fujifilm and just being what I would say is a success. I just want to keep doing that, and I think it's really boosted my confidence and made me think that I can do this.